Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, April 11th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. A very much smaller size to the body of this candle, in contrast to the previous day's trading, roughly about a third of the size of the body of the previous day's trading. It does suggest that the buyers have lost some momentum when compared to the previous day's trading. Previous day we had a very strongly bullish candle with the buyers closing with control. With the market today, the buyers have still closed with control, but they've closed between the midpoint level and the high, suggesting that the control is only moderate. It's not strong. It would be the strongest if they were able to close up towards the high. So we have this shadow on the top of the body, and it suggests that there has been a loss of commitment by the buyers as they tested up to the round number resistance at 1600, and that's a typical scenario that we were likely to see. The psychological level of 1600 has begun to have its effect on this market, and we've seen some selling coming in around that level. Now, in terms of the size of the body, with the body being smaller, it means that the buyers have still made an amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, but it was much smaller than the previous day, and that's why there's a suggestion that the buyers have lost some momentum. They can't maintain the momentum that they had for the previous day's trading. But certainly with the type of candle that we had for the previous day, it's very difficult to maintain such strong bullishness for a long period of time, and it's not an unusual occurrence to see a smaller body. With this small body, however, it does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend, with the buyers losing some commitment. That also suggests. So we do need to watch the low of the current candle for a potential lower high and lower low. If that does occur, then we do have very strong support back down here around the 1576 level, that previous all-time high level, and with previous resistance, and it should act as support for this market. A very good likelihood of that. If the market does trade down through there, that support extends down to around the 1570 level, but then we have very strong support down around the 1555 area. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and for the previous day's trading we saw the market test exactly to the 161.8% in a bullish manner. We are now trading through there. The buyers are still in control. There is some slight doubt about continuation of that trend, but if the trend does continue, our target is the 261.8% up around 1618, but we would need to see the market trade in a strongly bullish manner up above this 1600 round number level of resistance. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and we're in an expansive mode of that now, we traded in a bullish manner through the 100%, and here today could be a significant event. We've seen the market test above the 161.8%, and we saw selling come in. So some price rejection from above that level, a slight hint that there could be a change of trend, so we do need to watch that low of the current candle very keenly for a potential low high and lower low. But we certainly aren't seeing any strength from the sellers. We are seeing a lessening of the strength from the buyers. That does suggest potential for a change of trend, but really what we'd like to see is strength from the sellers to give us a stronger possibility of a change of trend. But by the same token, we do need to watch for a potential lower high and lower low. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all three time frames. The market's trading above the clouds, so we have a bullish bias in the long-term time frame, bullish in the medium and fast-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line, and the Chikas band is above the corresponding price action. So all of this is suggesting a good potential for the market to trade to higher levels, but certainly round number 1600 level of area is strong resistance to this market.